So you think men only care about physical touch when it's, well, that kind of touch, right? Everyone says it's all about the bedroom. But what if I told you that men actually crave touch in a way you never even considered? No, it's not just about sex. It's about the little things. The hugs, the pats on the back, the kind of touch that makes him feel close to you without ever crossing any boundaries. But here's the kicker. If you don't know these 7 types of touch, you might just be missing the key to making him feel truly desired. Don't worry though. I'm about to break it down for you in a way that will change the way you think about physical connection. No romance novels required. Number 1. A couple's foot massage. The #1 non-sexual touch that men love, a couple's foot massage. Picture this. You're sitting across from each other with your feet in his lap, and he's massaging your toes, heels, and the soles of your feet. You return the favor, gently massaging his feet in the same way. It's a peaceful, intimate moment that's not just about relaxation, but also connection. The act of caring for each other through touch strengthens your bond and creates a soothing sense of togetherness. The quiet sounds of relaxation, the shared energy, and the simple act of giving make this moment incredibly special. It's pure bliss for both of you, deepening the sense of closeness and affection without any pressure. Number 2. Hold his hand across the table. It's the simplest thing in the world, and it works wonders. Whether it's your first date or your 10th year together, there's something about reaching across the table and lightly touching his hand. It's a tiny move, but it's bold. It's you making the first move, saying, "I like you. I want to be closer to you." Men love that. And believe me, the longer you hold his hand, the more he'll feel that magnetic pull between you. Number 3. Wrap your arm around his when you're walking together. Not a death grip, just a light touch, you know what I mean. When you're strolling down the street, casually slip your hand around his arm, lean in close, and let him feel your warmth. It makes you feel safe. It makes him feel strong, and there's no pressure. It's just a simple way to let him know you're connected and that you want him to feel like the man in your life. It's easy, it's intimate, and it's a power move without even trying. Number 4. Give him a hug and gaze into his eyes. This one's simple but powerful. A hug can say a lot, but when you add that lingering eye contact, it's a whole new level. When you look up into his eyes, it makes him feel admired, wanted, and seen. And don't just give him any hug. Make it the kind where you hold on for a little longer than usual, where the connection between you both is felt in that simple gesture. Men love to feel desired, just like women do. That hug, those eyes, it makes him feel like he's the only one in the room. Number 5. Running your fingers through his hair. I was talking to my dad before recording this video, and I told him about the non-sexual ways men love to be touched. He immediately laughed and said, "Make sure you mention running fingers through his hair." Well, lucky for him, it was already on my list. A guy shared that he loves it when a woman runs her fingers through his hair so lightly that his skin tingles. The soft caresses, especially when it's barely a tickle, are just heaven for him. If you're lucky enough to touch his hair after a fresh cut, that's a moment he'll love. Number 6. Rub his ears. Rubbing a man's ears can be surprisingly sensual and calming. While it's not inherently sexual, the gentle touch can lead to deeper intimacy if the moment is right. Many men don't realize how much they enjoy it until it happens. One guy described it as a euphoric sensation he never expected. Ears are sensitive, and when touched softly or massaged, it creates a feeling of warmth and connection. This intimate gesture shows affection and provides a quiet, relaxing moment that can enhance closeness. Number 6. Rest your hand on his knee. This simple but effective gesture works wonders, especially in casual or public settings like a family dinner or a hangout with friends. Rest your hand gently on his knee, just enough to create a quiet, intimate connection. It's subtle, yet it says so much. "I'm thinking of you," or "we're in this together," even when you're surrounded by others. This small touch strikes the perfect balance between affection and flirtation, making him feel appreciated and noticed without being overt or sexual. It's a way to show you're emotionally connected and that he's always on your mind. Bonus tip: want to make him fall deeper in love with you? If you really want to take your relationship to the next level and make him fall head over heels, check out this exclusive guide to understanding men and creating the kind of irresistible connection that leads to lasting love. Don't miss out. Visit the link in the description to find out more about how to make him fall in love with you. Trust me, you'll love what you discover. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on our list of 7 non-sexual ways to touch your man that he absolutely loves. These simple, tender gestures can do wonders for your relationship by creating moments of connection, affection, and intimacy that go far beyond just the physical. Whether it's resting your hand on his knee during a casual moment or softly scratching his back while you're relaxing together, these touches are meaningful ways to show your love without the pressure of anything sexual. Remember, small acts of affection like these help build trust, comfort, and emotional closeness, reinforcing the foundation of your relationship. It's not always about the grand gestures, but the simple, everyday moments where you can express love and appreciation. These gestures remind him that he's loved and valued in ways that words alone can't always convey. So, next time you're with your man, try one of these non-sexual touches and see the difference it makes. Whether it's a gentle caress or a sweet kiss on the cheek, it's the thought and intention behind the touch that really counts. If you enjoyed these tips, feel free to share the video with someone who might find it helpful and leave me a comment below with your favorite non-sexual touch. What small gesture makes your man feel extra special? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.